I didn't mean to start it over.
We are in
Now
round two.
On round two with the 5 winners over here. We have Yellow Loco, Monster Dalmatian, Bad to the Bone Granger, Lucas Oil Stabilizer, Max Black Ops Max D. Let's do this. Okay.
Should I throw the mat down just for a softer landing for the trucks?
No. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, we have Yellow Loco going down the track.
Ooh.
Pause. Accent again. So we fixed the track. It's kind of weeny though. Every time you move. Pause. So we fixed the track. The 6th time I think. With Yellow Loco.
Man.
3, 2, 1, action again. Okay. We got it fixed, but we didn't test it yet. Hope it works. Because the slower it goes, doesn't look like it's gonna go fast. The slower it goes, the tornier it gets. Yellow Loco.
Tardy.
Only 3 are moving on this round. At least they hit that laundry basket.
True.
Or probably would have broke. Okay. This truck is pretty heavy. Black Ops Max D. Max D Black Ops. 3, 2, 1. Go!
Tardy.
See, the 28 goes. The slower it goes, the 20 it gets. Lucas Oil Stabilizer.
You can put up a couple rails. Would you like a couple rails?
Then we'll have to do all of them again. Okay, let's do this, and if no one makes it to the slide, we're putting up rails. Okay, Lucas Oil Stabilizer. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, almost.
Farthest yet. Yeah, we'll get that right off. Have Monster Dalmatian. Monster Dalmatian made it in 4th place on last round. So I think he's going to make it. Okay. Dalmatian. 3, 2, 1, go.
Nope.
Have one more chance.
Turny.
One more chance to get on the slide until we put railings up. Have Bad to the Bone Gravedigger. Bad to the Bone Gravedigger. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I was hoping we would get railings. Didn't get. Okay, we fixed the track. We put on railings like we said we would do. The next round, we're gonna be only having 3. Well, the farthest will be the winner of this last round. Okay, we have Yellow Loco. Wait, but off camera, El Toro Loco went down the track and did this. He popped that open and it landed into there. And he stayed up like that. I think that's the craziest thing that happened with my monster trucks. 'Cause I don't know. Okay. Yellow El Toro Loco. 3, 2, 1, go! You each get 2 tries.
Go straight.
Yellow El Toro Loco. 3, 2, 1, go! Just if one more do that. Love you. Did you pause it?
No.
Okay, do twin action again. You'll have to do it again. Okay, Yellow El Toro Loco. For the last time. 3, 2, 1, go.
He does not want to go.
He was like right there. Okay, we have Black Ops Max D. Max D Black Ops. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, at least he made it.
If they stay on the white, guys, that means they get another chance. Only one more chance if they stay on the white. Like that white. Only one more chance. If it stays on the white, the second chance, don't get another try yet. Wait, he was like right here. Okay, we have Lucas Oil Stabilizer.
Here, I'll put him up there for you.
Make sure it's straight. 3, 2, 1, go! Oops. He gets one more chance. 3, 2, 1, go!
Nicely done, Lucas Oil Stabilizer.
Dude, he barely got faulted. Last time, Dalmatian was first place on the track over there that we moved the slide on, but he got first place over there. We have Monster Mutt Dalmatian.
Oh, pretty beads.
Wait, we didn't say 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa.
You want your stickies off?
Monster trucks? What are you doing? Why is it?
Look out. Look out, you're gonna get hit by a monster truck.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh!
R.I.P. track.
Man, he was determined to go off the edge.
He gets the yell. Okay. We have the last one. Bad to the bone. Crazy.
He
What?
lost.
We love the bulldog guy.
He lost.
Bulldog?
The bull.
Okay. 3, 2,
Are you dying?
3.
Look out. Look out, here comes a monster
One.
truck.
Oops. I tried to fix it.
Track malfunction.
3,
2, 1, go.
1, go.
Oh. We have our 3.
Yep, we have all 3. And what are we gonna do with those again?
I don't know.
Halloween. Noah, Halloween. What? Halloween. A Stitch wing? Did you pause it? Next, we're gonna have the 1 winner on this track. We're not gonna change anything because it didn't break this time. Okay. First up, we have Lucas Oil Stabilizer. Okay, give me the front. 3, 2,
Stop it.
1, go!
Well, it made it.
Okay.
It didn't get very far, but it made it.
Have Black Ops Max D. Can I have those wings? Is it on pause?
Yeah, no, it's pause. No, it's action. They're watching you steal my rings.
Give me the truck. Don't be bossy. I ain't being bossy.
Come on, guys. Let's move along.
Stop off. Can you have this ring?
Come on, please.
Oh. Don't! Pause it! Stops again. Maybe we didn't even do him yet. I don't remember. But 3, 2, 1, go! One more try because he stayed on the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hold on. I think I might have put that off to the side too much. This.
Oh, it was up, Kyle. Until it suddenly broke it. Then we had to fix it. Okay, that's good. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, guess not.
Easy. One's down there. Lucas almost stabilized down there. Okay. Bad to the Bones Grave Digger. This top is pretty crazy of Bad to the Bones Grave Digger. Three, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
You'll have to put, it would take a long time for you to get this video on YouTube. Would it?
I have to put it together, man.
Yeah, that would take long. Is putting it together take long?
Sometimes.
Okay, back to the Bones Grave. Go! It's another chance. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
This is gonna be Lucas Oil Stabilizer, huh?
No!
Buddy,
It has
please.
to be fair. Okay, this is not gonna be the last final thing.
Honey,
The last
please.
final thing is whoever goes the farthest.
Mama, look at my hair.
It's nice hair. I love it.
3, 2, 1. Back to the Bones Grave Digger. First, Lucas Oil Stabilizer. First up, we have Back to the Bones Grave Digger.
That's pretty far.
Lucas Oil Stabilizer is up next. The winner is
Mama, where's my angel?
pause for a second. 3, 2, 1, action. Okay. Don't forget to we can leave now. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Grave Eagle wins! Bye guys. Have a great day.